Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today we are reacting to Jordan Child's Olympic ready makeup routine on Beauty Secrets in Vogue. Let's check it out.
This is my skincare routine and my Olympic makeup look. I always love a good cleanser. This amount. I want to go in with a good toner. I like using it with my hand because I feel like it gets into my skin more. I have hyperpigmentation. You can see it more in my blemishes. As you can tell, this one decided just to pop up today. Like, who did that? I had really, really bad acne when I was younger. Didn't know how to take care of it. But now that I do, I like to embrace it. Like, look at the glow already. Like, we're glowing today, guys. I'm gonna go in with the vitamin C serum from Bliss. Vitamin C is actually really good for your skin. And I don't put that much. It's like, you know, oh, I made a little heart. How cute. Love everywhere. Sometimes a girl has bags. I know you can't see them right now, but when I wake up in the morning, it's called the Cryo Recovery Eye Serum. So the piece on it is cold. We're gonna go in with another serum. This is a deep hydration serum. Again, I don't put that much on. This like brings freshness to my face. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. I love this sunscreen. My face needs protection. We need protection out here, guys.
Literally, my makeup is melting. Please don't look up close at my makeup because it's melting. Look, my black gel liner already melted onto my eyelid. I love everything she did for now. Every single step of her skincare routine, it's in good order and it's targeted for her specific problem. So the vitamin C serum is very brightening. So if you have hyperpigmentation, like she's mentioning, it really helps to take this down. I also do use vitamin C serum because I also have hyperpigmentation and it does help a lot. The hydrating serum she used after that, that's a great step as well because hyaluronic acid has a small molecule. If you put an active on like vitamin C or retinol, then hyaluronic acid on top, then hyaluronic acid will kind of grab onto the other things and push it further into your skin, so then it works better. Everything was good. Toner, moisturizer, everything. I would skip eye cream obviously because eye creams are just moisturizers in small packaging that are twice as expensive. So you can just put your regular moisturizer around your eyes. That's the same thing. She did use one with like a cooling one, and she did mention puffy under eyes when she wakes up, so maybe that's more of the reason why she's using that for the cooling effect. That's fine. I mean, she did use sunscreen, that's good. However, she should be using about 4 times the amount that she's using now. You really need a lot of sunscreen to properly protect your skin. Just a small amount like that, the amount that she used, does virtually nothing for her face. 4 times the amount and it will be good. Maybe 6 times the amount.
Now I'm gonna start my makeup. So now we're gonna go in with the Makeup by Mario brow gel. Now we're gonna go with the other side of this. We're gonna go in with the one size. Secure the blur. We don't want nothing. No holes, no blemishes, nothing when we put on our foundation. Primer is very important for me. Eyeshadow primer. That's how mine be staying during my competitions. So we're just gonna put this all over my eye. Now that we have a base, we're gonna do a darker color. So I think I'm gonna go in with brownie right here. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. We're gonna go back in with a concealer to kind of go along this line. I learned all of this from my sister. Galinda ball gown. Ooh, flying free. This is ball gown. I think we should do ball gown because it's like giving. I'm over here feeling like Elsa. Let it go. I know it's in the wrong movie, but this makeup is giving me Elsa.
I'm not gonna lie, I am not a fan of the eyebrows she did. Yeah, I really have nothing good to say about feather eyebrows ever. I always thought it looks ugly, and I still think it looks ugly. I was a little worried about the primer because she was tapping it. You need to smooth it on your face because otherwise it will just create like texture if you tap it in. But she did smooth it later, so it's fine. The eye look, however, what a slay queen! She used an eye primer and all. I have never seen anyone use an eyeshadow primer in those Vogue videos. Never. And the Elsa in the corner, amazing. If she does do this, like experiment with her makeup on day-to-day basis, then she's my kind of girl. Everybody should be experimenting and adding different colors every day and seeing what you like, you know? Maybe you come across a color combination that you just can't get out of your head and it's stuck there, and you keep thinking about it day and night and day, and yeah.
Go back in with this same concealer. We're gonna go in with my foundation. I use Fenty. So now we're gonna go actually back in with one more concealer. But this one is a pro filter. I only put this right here to kind of brighten up my eyes. So I got a competition floor. Since we have so many bright lights, it does give a better effect if your under eyes are a little brighter than normal. I put a little on my tip of my nose because, you know, gotta have some fun there. Contour. We're gonna go in with the powders. Banana from Fenty. And then I blend it with cashew. Hi, we have a little one. It's a little beauty blender. So cute. Don't ask me where this accent came from because sometimes it just pops up. And then I just kind of go like this because I just want it right here. We're gonna go in with cashew. The reason why I use two different colors is because I don't want my whole under eye bright. I just want certain parts of my eye to be brightened up because I have very hooded eyes. So like when I smile, they go away. But if I brighten underneath, we're gonna go in with bronzer. We're gonna go back in with the cashew to get it very defined. Now we're gonna go with the blush. We're gonna go with my Dior. This thing is very pigmented, so we don't want to put a lot, okay? And yes, I do put my blush over my powder because I feel like it gives a better look and it stays better. Y'all see that? I know y'all see that.
Guys, she's so cute. Oh my god, the way she talks, it just makes me smile. The foundation shade is perfectly to her face. I love the way she applied contour. She does not need any contour on her forehead. She's another proof to the fact that nobody looks good in a harsh nose contour. Can we please stop that trend? Because if it's just lines on your face, it just doesn't look good. Period. It just doesn't. I don't care who you are. Nobody looks good if the nose contour is too harsh. Let's just accept it. Move on from this trend. Can we please? Move on from the feather brows and move on from the harsh nose contour. I do love that she's using different brightness of concealer and she knows where to put it. She could benefit from a orange shaped concealer also if she thinks she needs a little brighter under eye. The orange one will do wonders. I love that she also powders in two different colors. We really need to learn what is bronzer and what is contour. I know I probably say it in every single reaction video, but contour and bronzer are not the same thing. She applied contour perfectly. She should have just stopped there, or if she wanted to set it, she could have set it with a powdered contour, but instead she's still contouring with a bronzer, which to me it makes no sense, but it kind of looks to me like she learned her makeup skills from TikToks.
So we're gonna go back in with the ball gown. I feel like when I have a color on my eyes, it looks better if you bring it in on the bottom so your eye can pop more. See? Wow, okay. I am a lash girl. I'm a lash girly. I'm gonna brush them out, but I do my bottom lashes. This right here, the best mascara. setting spray. This is the key to keeping my makeup on. So I let this kind of stay on my face so I can do my highlight. It makes it stay on better and kind of give a more brightening effect.
As you could see, I was stunned. She put her eyeshadow into the waterline. I have never seen anybody do this. When she said she's gonna bring it to the lower lash line or to the bottom, I thought she's gonna put it on the lower lash line. But no, she put it in the waterline. That's an interesting technique. One I would not recommend. Eyeshadows are definitely not meant for your waterline. It can dry your eyes out. Some eyeshadows have mica in it, which is very fine glitter, and you don't want that rubbing on the actual eye. Just use an eyeliner or put it in the lower lash line. Overall, the makeup she's doing, even the technique with the mist and then applying highlighter, it feels a little dated. I know I'm a millennial, so I shouldn't be even probably saying that, and I'll probably be cancelled for this, but it feels, the whole look, it feels a little 2016, 2018. You all remember when we sprayed our faces with setting spray and then applied highlighter to glow for the gods, and you know, brown eyeshadow and feather brow, and all of this is really 2016, 2018 kind of vibe.
We're gonna do my lips now. I love these lip liners. They're the best thing ever. So we're gonna go with the dark one. Now we're gonna go in with the lighter shade. So we're gonna get your concealer. I would say get a concealer that's not too light. Don't go too light. You're gonna put it in the middle. Put your lips together. You're gonna go back in with that lighter pencil so you can blend it all together. We're gonna go in with the Milani Fruit Fetish. You're just gonna put it lightly. And last but not least, set your face one more time.
It's quite a strange way to do your lipstick. She did make her bottom lip really, really big in comparison to the top lip after the concealer went on. But maybe that's what she likes. If it would be me, I would overline the top lip just to balance with the bottom lip. As I said, the completion of 2016/2018 makeup look is before us now. Overall, I am very impressed actually. I did not expect this amount of skill from her. I'm not even sure why. I just went into this video with no expectations. She did great. She looks lovely. I do want to say that I would ditch those lashes that she has. I mean, her eyes are so pretty. I think the lashes weigh it down a little bit. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more makeup content, and I'll see you next time. Can somebody tell the UK to chill with this fucking weather? It's so hot that I cannot even speak. Look, my eyeliner smudged on my eyelid. This is how hooded my eyes are, that this eyeliner melted and put itself here. Why can't I speak? Ruined it.